Have you watched any of the Conjuring movies? Then you might seen that the tagline of based on true story. Have you ever wondered where those creepy artifacts are kept? Yes, it's in Warner's Occult Museum. Let's see the top 10 of the most creepy artifacts. Number 10. A brick from Borley Rectory. Warner's Occult Museum holds some of the most haunted and cursed objects in the world, many of which were collected by Warners from the travel to haunted locations from across the globe. One object of particular significance is a brick from the Borley Rectory, a building that is said to be most haunted building in the United Kingdom. The fact that came from such a cursed location is more than enough to scare anyone. Number 9. Children's Tombstone. Aside from the usual cursed and haunted objects in the museum, Warners also collected some objects that were used in satanic rituals that they investigated and compacted during their careers as paranormal experts. One of more unnerving of these artifacts are tombstones of children that were allegedly used in these dark occult rituals by those who dabble into darker side of the paranormal. Number 8. Actual human skulls. Not everything in occult museum is a cursed or possessed objects. Some objects are just oddities that there are from the Warner's decade of investigation in the paranormal, while others from the Conjuring franchise itself. However, in a similar manner to tombstones, the museum also holds several human skulls that were used in occult rituals and witchcraft to communicate with the demons, opening gateway between hell and earth. Number 7. Parents' Family Music Box. The original Conjuring was one of the best haunted house movies in the last decade. The film helped to bring the Parents' Family haunting into mainstream under James Warren's steady directorship. One of the spookiest elements of the movie was the music box, which was always threatening to scare whenever it appeared on screen. The box itself is a safety tucked away in the Warner's Museum and has since become synonymous with the films. Number 6. The Pearls of Death. The Pearls of Death have yet to appear in Conjuring movies, but they are notoriously one of the most dangerous items in Warner's Museum. The Pearls of Death is a cursed necklace that is said to strangle those who wear them, with their former owner complaining of being choked while wearing them. The pearl currently rests in the Warner shelves where they will hopefully stay for a foreseeable future. Number 5. The Conjuring Mirror. The artifact actually has nothing to do with the Conjuring movies. Instead, the mirror gets its name from the fact that was used to summon or conjure the spirits. The son-in-law of Warner says that there is a long history of mirror being used to gateway of dead to return the world of living. Number 4. The Toy Monkey. The Toy Monkey actually appeared in Annabella Comes Home. While there is already something unnerving about this particular toy monkey, its power is very scary. It is said that the monkey is possessed by a demon and enjoys stalking its victims before eventually murdering them. Number 3. A Satanic Idol. The Satanic Idol managed to look both goofy and terrifying, with its wide eyes, slim figure, cutting and unnerving figure. The idol itself was found in the woods of Sandy Hook in Connecticut, with the Warners believing it was used in satanic rituals. The idol was found by a younger hunter who encountered an old man in a black robe soon after seeing it. The hunter was put into contact with the Warners, and the idol has been in the occult museum ever since. Number 2. A Shadow Doll. While Annabelle looked less threatening in real life than her movie's appearance, the Shadow Doll managed to capture Annabelle's terrifying cinematic design. Shadow Doll is a nightmare object that makes even Chucky look like something you had want to cuddle. While Annabelle is said to have attacked and scratched people, the Shadow Doll is said to have terrifying power of entering someone's dreams and killing them while they are sleeping. Number 1. The Real Annabelle. One of the most famous haunted dolls of all time, Annabelle is imprisoned by a holy box in the Warner's Museum, keeping the evil doll from wreaking havoc. While the real doll doesn't look as terrifying as in the doll from the movie, it still has unnerving presence about it. The doll did not do everything was shown in the movies, but the fact the Warners thought It's prudent to keep the door locked away. The holy box shows just how much they feared whatever lying inside it. Now, let us know that which one of the following artifacts you felt most scary, and which one of these lovely artifacts do you want in your home? Comment.